Have you ever wondered why the neighbor with the faded sedan and the plain t-shirt somehow seems completely unfazed by life's surprises? Or how they can slip away for a long vacation without a single social media post about it? The richest people often hide in plain sight because they use a handful of quiet money rules that multiply their wealth, while everyone else is busy looking rich instead of actually getting rich. This isn't about being cheap or depriving yourself. It's about playing a different game entirely. The world is obsessed with the flash, maxing out credit cards for clout and leasing cars to impress strangers. But the truly wealthy, the ones with deep, unshakable financial freedom, understand that real power is invisible. They've chosen a path called stealth wealth, and it's one of the most powerful strategies for building a fortune today. They prioritize freedom over flex, security over status. And here's the uncomfortable truth. If you don't learn this game, you'll likely spend decades making money, only to have nothing to show for it. You'll chase bigger paychecks and nicer things while your financial foundation quietly crumbles under lifestyle creep, inflation, and bad habits. In this video, I'm going to break down the exact strategies and lifestyle habits they use, and how you can apply them to your own life starting tonight. Here are the 9 fundamental rules that secret millionaires live by. Rule 1. Master the art of subtraction. Most financial advice tells you to create a complicated budget and track every penny. The stealth wealth approach is simpler and far more powerful. Pay yourself first, automatically. Before you pay your rent or buy groceries, a slice of your income zips out of your main account and into your investments. It's not about saving what's left at the end of the month. It's about learning to live on what's left after you've built your future. One teacher I know has an automatic transfer set for the morning his paycheck hits. He says by the time he's had his coffee and checked his balance, the money is already gone and working for him. He can't spend it because he never really saw it. That's the whole game. Rule 2. Aggressively reject lifestyle creep. Lifestyle creep is the silent killer of wealth. It's that natural urge to spend more every time you earn more. You get a raise, and suddenly your rent, car payment, or vacation budget inflates to match. It's why so many people with good incomes still live paycheck to paycheck. The stealth wealth practitioner wages a war against this. When they get a raise, they pretend it never happened. A graphic designer I mentor kept her roommate for an extra year after a big promotion. The money she didn't spend on a solo apartment went straight into a real estate fund. By the time she finally moved, her investment dividends nearly covered her new rent. Freeze your lifestyle for just 1 year after each raise, and watch how fast your wealth piles up. A Federal Reserve survey even found that households who resisted lifestyle creep after income increases built 3 times more net worth in a decade than those who didn't. Rule 3. Invest in quality, not logos. In a world screaming with brand names, stealth wealth whispers. This isn't about buying the cheapest junk. It's about focusing on quality and durability over fleeting status symbols. The secretly wealthy person might spend more on a pair of well-made shoes that last a decade instead of trendy sneakers that fall apart in a year. They buy a well-engineered, reliable car and drive it for years, while others lease a new luxury vehicle every 3. Studies and millionaire habit research consistently show that nearly 62% of self-made millionaires drive cars over 5 years old. This approach saves them an enormous amount of money and keeps them invisible. A person driving a 10-year-old Honda and wearing a simple, well-fitting sweater doesn't attract attention, yet their assets are working for them, not depreciating in their driveway. They value utility over vanity. Rule 4. Build an automated wealth machine. Willpower is overrated. Even the most disciplined people have weak moments. Secret millionaires know this, so they don't rely on discipline. They rely on systems. They build an automated wealth machine that runs 24/7 in the background, making them richer even while they sleep. The moment their paycheck hits their account, the system kicks in. An automatic transfer sends a set amount to a low-cost, diversified index fund. Another might go to a high-yield savings account. It's all done without emotion or hesitation. This removes the single biggest point of failure in any financial plan: human choice. There's no decision to be made and no temptation. The system makes the right decision for them every single time. It's boring, it's unsexy, and it's incredibly effective. Rule 5. cultivate quiet income streams. Relying on a single paycheck is the definition of financial fragility. While a popular myth suggests the average millionaire has 7 income streams, research indicates that most simply have multiple sources, often 3 or more. For the stealthy wealthy, these streams operate silently. Think a cash-flowing rental property held in an LLC with a bland name, not their personal one. Or a dividend stock portfolio that quietly deposits money into their account each quarter. To put numbers on it, a $200,000 rental property bringing in $1,200 net each month covers a $14,400 annual expense, like property taxes, groceries, or even travel, without touching their primary income. A $100,000 dividend portfolio paying 4% annually drops $4,000 into their account without them lifting a finger. These income streams work for them, decoupling their time from their earnings. While others trade hours for dollars, the quiet rich build and buy assets that pay them, growing their wealth from multiple directions without ever needing to announce their new venture. If you're serious about building wealth that doesn't need showing off, hit that like button and subscribe to join the Minecraft community. Together, we're building a future where money works silently in the background, and your support keeps this movement growing. Rule 6. Practice extreme financial privacy. A core rule of stealth wealth is this: never reveal your full hand. The moment people know you have money, the dynamic changes. You attract unsolicited advice, pleas for loans, and sometimes resentment. The quietly wealthy protect their financial information fiercely. They don't discuss their salary, investment returns, or net worth with friends, family, or colleagues. This isn't about being secretive, it's a defensive strategy. On a more advanced level, they use legal structures like LLCs or trusts to create layers of privacy, shielding their assets from public view and potential litigation. By maintaining discretion, they avoid social pressure and keep their financial lives under their complete control. Their motto is simple: let your results be your only statement. Rule 7. Become a tax ghost. Most people think about taxes once a year. The wealthy think about taxes with every financial decision. They understand that it's not about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. And they are masters at legally minimizing their tax burden. They don't evade taxes, they avoid them strategically. This means maxing out every available tax-advantaged retirement account, like a 401k or a Roth IRA. It means understanding how different investments are taxed and structuring their portfolio for tax efficiency. Beyond that, they use overlooked tools like the Health Savings Account, or HSA, which has a triple tax advantage or tax loss harvesting to offset investment gains. A colleague of mine earning $60,000 a year shifted $6,000 into a pre-tax retirement plan, which immediately saved him over $1,000 in federal taxes. Over decades, this relentless focus on tax efficiency can add hundreds of thousands of dollars to their net worth. Rule 8. Manage your digital footprint. In 2025, stealth wealth isn't just about the real world. It's about the ghost you create online. Social media is a showcase for consumption, and the quietly wealthy want no part of it. You won't see them posting photos of a new luxury car or a first-class ticket. Their social media, if they even have it, is focused on experiences, hobbies, or family, not possessions. A flashy online presence can make you a target for everything from cybercriminals to social pressure. By staying low-key online, they maintain their privacy and reinforce their core philosophy. Their self-worth is not tied to the things they own, and they have nothing to prove. Rule 9. Master the art of patience. The final and most important rule is to embrace the long game. Our culture is addicted to get-rich-quick fantasies that keep millions of people poor. Stealth wealth is the opposite. It's a get-rich-slow scheme, and it's the only one that actually works. The secretly wealthy think in decades, not days. They understand the power of compound interest and know the biggest gains come from years of consistent, boring, and patient investing. They don't panic when the market dips. They see it as a buying opportunity. They don't chase fads. An acquaintance of mine started investing in 2006, held through the 2008 collapse, and kept her automatic buys humming. Friends called her crazy then, but her balance called them back a decade later, having doubled twice. True financial freedom isn't found in a lottery win. It's built brick by boring brick, year after year. So there you have it. The path to getting rich without anyone noticing isn't a secret formula. It's a conscious choice to play a different game. It's about rejecting the cultural pressure to look wealthy and instead focusing all your energy on becoming wealthy. It's about living below your means, automating your success, investing in quality, and protecting your privacy. This path is available to anyone. It requires discipline, patience, and a shift in mindset from being a consumer to being an owner. Remember that neighbor with the faded sedan? They weren't ignoring the game. They were winning it quietly. The real flex isn't the car you drive or the logo on your shirt. It's the quiet confidence of knowing you are financially secure, free from debt, and in complete control of your destiny. That is a power no amount of money can buy, but that stealth wealth can build. If you found this video valuable, tap the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you never miss a strategy that could change your financial future. And I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below, sharing one stealth wealth rule you're going to start using today. For more strategies on building real, lasting financial freedom, click the video on the screen now. This is Minecraft, where ideas become action and action becomes your future.